You know him as a guest judge on ETF Battles, and today we're going to talk about key trends in Bitcoin and technology investing. Dave Kreinces with ETF Portfolio Management joins us right after this. I'm DeLegge with ETF Guide. We're happy to have you with us. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out our one-of-the-kind programs like ETF Battles and the Portfolio Report Card. And don't forget to hit the like button if you've been enjoying our content, and be sure to subscribe. Now, we're pleased to have with us Dave Kreinces. He's the Chief Investment Officer at ETF Portfolio Management. Check out his book titled Investable Benchmarks, A Guide to ETFs, Technology and Leverage. It's available at Amazon.com. Dave, thank you for dropping by.
Thanks, Ron. Great to see you.
So the last time we did our fire chat back in the fourth quarter of 2020, you were pounding the table on Bitcoin. So congratulations. It's been a great call. I know that you're still bullish on Bitcoin. So can you give us an update? Is it too late for investors to get in?
Well, thanks, Ron. Since our initial ETF battles with Bitcoin back in October and November of last year, GBTC has strongly outperformed. Over the past 6 months, since our first GBTC gold battle in October, the Bitcoin Trust is up 361%. Bitcoin is such an amazing story. If you don't have an allocation yet, you should rush out and get one. This dynamic new asset has delivered legendary performance. It's the fastest asset to reach 1 trillion market cap in history at just 12 years. Half the time of the other top tech titans. And there are many signs that Bitcoin may continue to lead all asset classes over the next decade.
So there's been this massive run up in Bitcoin. It's reached $1 trillion and surpassed that. So how are you angling this from an investment perspective? Are you trading in and out of your positions, or are you just buying and holding it?
In our strategies, we have both passive buy and hold and actively managed positions. I do expect Bitcoin to trade well over 120,000 this year. And over the next decade or two, I do expect it to deliver over 100 times.
Well, there's a lot of smart people in that same trade. So it's hard to disagree when you look at the historical numbers, and we'll just have to see if that plays out. So we've all noticed that your attention has shifted to Bitcoin. And I know a lot of our audience that have watched you in action on ETF Battles, they also know that you're a fan of the technology sector, and especially the NASDAQ 100, the triple Qs. So what's your update for investors on tech and also TQQQ?
Well, tech was a little soft in the first quarter, but that was to be expected after a blowout year in 2020. The NASDAQ 100 3 times TQQQ gained 110% last year. But over the past 6 months, it has cooled off a bit. We do still have core long positions, but we've added other holdings as well.
So aside from Bitcoin and tech, are there any other trends that you're trading or watching? What's your take, for example, on bonds from here? Long-term treasuries have been hit pretty hard. So give us an update.
Yes, bonds are down big this year after long-term treasuries protected very well last year. Given all the government stimulus and money printing, the past 6 months have strongly favored stocks over bonds. We were forced to sell our bond positions a while ago, but we can re-enter quickly when needed. And in addition to Bitcoin, we are currently trading small caps and semiconductors, which have both outperformed lately.
Well, thank you very much, Dave, for your insights and for stopping by. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, Ron. Great to see you.
Again, that was Dave Kreinces, the Chief Investment Officer at ETF Portfolio Management. Check out his book, Investable Benchmarks. It's available at Amazon.com. I'm DeLegge with ETF Guide TV. Hit the subscribe button and post your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.